Brian May has opened up about his health struggles a year after suffering a heart attack at his home, which he said saw him come near death. Queen guitarist Brian May, 74, has given an update on his terrible health battle after suffering a series of health problems at the start of lockdown last year. The music legend shared that while HES now on the road to recovery after suffering a heart attack and a stomach hemorrhage, HES had a terrible time. Despite not contracting COVID, the star found lockdown a struggle after suffering a heart attack following a gardening injury in May last year. After being taken to hospital, medical professionals found 3 blocked arteries which, in an Instagram post, the star said had left him very near death. However, the guitarist admitted to being confused over how he suffered a heart attack, after seemingly thinking he had a healthy heart. He said, "I still don't understand it. I don't tick any of the boxes. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I keep fit, biking and swimming," he stated. Brian promptly underwent cardiac surgery and had 3 stents fitted while also being given medication to take following the operation. Addressing his 14-month journey back to health, the star confessed that he still has a way to go, saying, "It's been a long recovery time, and I'm still in it. There's lots of complications with the medications, which really screw up your body. It's been terrible," he told The Telegraph. Last year the star told Gardener's World magazine how his medication had led to him having a stomach hemorrhage, branding the moment the closest I've come to death. He also told the publication that he is a naturally depressive person and that getting outside and gardening has helped him with depression. However, despite telling the first publication mentioned that he has been to therapy, the star admitted that he still struggles some days more than others. "I've done a lot of work on it. But there are still mornings when I wake up and think, I don't really want to get up. I don't think I can solve the problems of today," he candidly confessed. The rocker also told how flooding at his Kensington home exacerbated his mental health problems, ruining family photo albums and memorabilia. Brian said that he hadn't slept much since the devastating event and said that he suffered a disproportionate emotional effect to what happened. Earlier this month, Brian and his wife EastEnders actress Anita Dobson shared the devastating effect that London's floods had wreaked on their home. Walking through his property, Brian filmed the extensive damage which he described as disgusting, which he shared with his 2.8 million followers. After returning home from a day at Royal Holloway College, the star found the bottom floor flooded with black sludge. The devastated Queen guitarist said not only had it ruined his rugs and carpets in his home but all of his childhood photo albums had been damaged, as well as his wife's memorabilia. The whole bottom floor had been inundated with a sewage overflow, which has covered our carpets, rugs and all kinds of precious, to us, things in a stinking sludge, he said. It's disgusting, and actually quite heartbreaking. It feels like we have been invaded, desecrated, before adding that it felt like a lot of his past had been wiped out.